Here's their first time out of their nest. There's 5 little English budgies. They're wondering, what the heck? It's very warm on there because we got a heating pad underneath so they don't catch a chill. When we have a little look at them. Hi! Hi! Oh my goodness! Here's a biggie. Hatched on Christmas Day, yes. So I'll do the math and figure out how old you are. The little tiny one's already gone underneath. We're going to take a little look at their crops and see what's in them. Hey, he's got a little bulgy crop, so we can put him in here for now. Keep him nice and warm. Over in there. I'm going to check them one at a time and see if their crops are full or empty or what. That guy's pretty empty. Yeah, you're empty. You're going to need a feeding. But I'm going to put them in there, keep them warm. So, let's see this little fella. This little fella, he has a little bit in his crop. Hi. Hi, Snooky. Oh, aren't you a sweetie? Put you in there for now until we mix up the formula. 2 left. Here's Teeny Weeny. Oh, Teeny Weeny. Let's see Teeny Weeny. Oh, Teeny Weeny has some in the crop. You can see the little bulginess. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And plus, you know, when you first take them out of the nest, sometimes they have a little poop on their feet and stuff that needs to be cleaned off carefully with some oil, maybe olive oil. See, there's a little poop on the feet. But we don't want to shock them too much by getting at that. So, oh, little cute heart, we'll put you in there. And there they are. Aren't they sweet? I'm going to mix up your formula. Give you your first feed. Yeah. Hungry. You need a good feeding. And the light, of course, is more than they're used to as well. So we have to be careful with that. Just expose them to them a little bit. Okay, sweeties. I'm going to turn off the camera and make you your very first food and feed it to you. We'll see you in a while. Bye!